How to check someone's location on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Find My application on your phone. It combines the functionality of the former Find My iPhone and Find My Friends apps into one integrated experience. Once you're here, go to the bottom left corner and tap on People. Over here, you can view all the people who can see your location. Tap on anyone from here. You can now view their location over here from the map. Zoom in to view the exact location. You can repeat this to view all your other friends' locations as well. If you see no location found under their name, this means that they have stopped sharing location on iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily check someone's location on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.